Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your bulk created images or designs in Canva. So maybe you created your bulk images using the Bulk Create feature. If you've designed anything using this Bulk Create feature from the app and Bulk Create, or maybe you've created any designs or documents using Bulk Create, and you're unable to find your bulk created images. If you thought they weren't created, that's not correct. Your designs will be saved in your projects. So to locate them, for example, let me show you. For example, I've already connected data with this text. To locate it, you'll need to go to the Projects tab. Just click on Projects. And look, this is the item that I created. Yeah, I just connected data, and it was saved in Projects. So if you can't find your previously generated bulk images, designs, or pages, they will be saved in your projects. So please check in Projects, and your generated bulk images will be there. So that's the simple process for finding your bulk created designs, images, pages, or any data. They will be saved in your projects. So don't worry. Just look for your generated items there. That was a simple tutorial. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in another video.